It's really important that we think about our impacts on nature. Our net zero targets are falling behind.
There are these answers that are inherently sustainable and regenerative.
If you think of the soil as an inert mass, you're making a mistake. It is alive.
So our biotechnology solutions are really helping to reduce yield loss in case of droughts.
The basic social obligation should be met, and stability is required for us to progress individually and as a country.